Hello, I'm Elder Ralph Richardson, and I have Wednesday's Word today. I'm going to talk about the Apostle Paul, a dedicated, powerful, and fearless worker for Christ. However, along the way, Paul had quite a few challenges. I'd like to read a few for you. He was beaten several times, shipwrecked, survived a poisonous snake, imprisoned many times, despised and hated by many. He had to escape for his life and was consistently in opposition to Jewish and Christian leaders of the day. He was also plagued by internal challenges. Let me read about that. In Romans 7:19, 24, and 25, Paul writes, "The good that I would do, I do not. The evil that I shouldn't do, that I do. O wretched man that I am, who shall deliver me from the body of this death?" And in verse 25 he writes, "Thank God through Jesus Christ our Lord, so that with the mind I myself serve the law of God, but with the flesh I serve sin." Paul has another challenge. He says that the Lord gave him a thorn in the flesh, a physical impediment. He said, just to keep me from getting conceited. And so he prayed 3 times to the Lord to take it from him. But the Lord's answer was, "My grace is sufficient for you. My power is made perfect in weakness." And Paul would find that his weakness turned out to be his strength. In Philippians 3:14, Paul says, "I press towards the mark for the prize of the high calling of God in Jesus Christ." Any of you that are alumnus of Barclay Institute, you know that we had a motto. The motto is Respice Finem, Latin for keep the end in view. I suspect in Philippians 3, he was looking at the end. He was looking towards the end. However, that end did come. And in 2 Timothy 4:6-8, Paul writes, "For I am now ready to be offered, and the time of my departure is at hand." And here's what I like. "I fought the good fight. I have finished the course, and I have kept the faith. I am now waiting for a crown of righteousness, which will be given to me, but also to all those who love the Lord and are looking forward to his appearing." So those of us who are looking forward to Christ's appearance, we can expect a crown of righteousness.